nkonta cheche no an egusu yi na ene de ne da mapawa so ene potokasa mebe bibi afa kronon ketinketi fraud kronon ketinketi ha isisi wo adwumam cause bi wo wa wodwuma no esode benso ahibia na obohua na onfaso a sese eba onsem no na fa onsase na sone na fa fichire na eko na wanhwe ne yekwa na kopiepie wo wekesi kra bottom na won no mu yedwuma no na omo twifam kakaka saa nti saa krono kitinkiti se ya no bohua na adwuma no agu nti ene enu na mbebobo so kakra amawo na ehu hia wo yen small business for no so because as for the big businesses no aya na omo the systems ni niema no nhihire bi atoto ho nti omo de aya na omo hu the ekoso because se omo de omuska ena omo afafafa mpanifo ni akrakefo ni ma omo nim hu nim de atoto niema no nti omo system say to me monitor but because of very small nti SME no you know moment that owner business managers no aya na yentumi enchekini ni ampabo ha na betom nti nhihye bi wo steps bi wo ha esese udiso na first step abediso because normally apart from wono a adwuma ne ye odia no ba me so ni nkofo be adwuma oni nkofo be bre be adwuma nti san nkofo no mo ye adwuma trust ne wo ho no ehu nya pa na first thing esese udiso eye kwan a ofaso ede employ obi eba odwuma ni mu se dwuma no edrum pempeso obi a obehia obi emana beboa wo na obefa obi kra aye recommended obi kra from wadamfo ana wa sorry ba kra no a esese woye small checks kakra efa onua na o fa no se onumade ende oye competent but se say no competent no enko na onua no su na ne ba no ko enko bonso yo bi wa bimpa onumadwuma no pa nso ne saha no ebu wa na wa bimpa onumadwuma no pa nso na adwuma no bibi ekochi ukra emfa no ho na wotwetwe fam kakrakra bi mo sa na hawadwin the first thing is so hwe that before we find adwuma mu no wa find adwuma mu kwa da kra no esese run checks kakra na say clients are me no mu adwuma no nyina no meto mo fu se obafo bi a sebi obadwuma mu ha obehwe wo sika sem so ama wa wa accountant ana se obey o cashier ana so you be obekọ bank ade ama wa ana so you be a obetunton wo niema no chese inventory sika be fa nsem ana se goods na go shop no o bi a obey run first test so run police criminal records tubo mana call police station no call running criminal record e de aba na ya certificate in the certificate na be chere say unique criminal record be that's the first thing say you unia say you ba say you den manin call running sa records no enfamra to running records no ba me so be any fingerprint sa ne mane nyina on be any fingerprint to mo ye no omo ye no fingerprint ni bibia awia o de ba na waje no ho kra da kra na still do manin konkoye se me ken aban mu no omo apply Bank of Ghana no mo pe microfinance certificate ni license nyama yes ani mani na nti esese unu anu so oba be gina ho na we usika se patumani run small check keke onko police ID branch bia no akoji criminal records clearance abrel na also there to file so no be hu ebi won so a insese obefre baby a onua na aye adwuma dada ansa na o hia no nokra no on kofre onuano kramba on frɛ baby o edwuma no on frɛ mpo no bisa so osumasi edwuma ha na ne suit sen ana open reference ye di niema bebre di agro ntechiro bu ho na ayi sika kofa na nsem kakra na afi na o tim boy afi no bia be catch us o saa no be ye o ha tam edwuma ho saa no be ye tam edwuma ho no na kese you could have prevented it anka obetumi a prevent kakra no anisan kai so we checks kakra fa sa nti ono ne hire no just before be fa na dwuma mu no na wodi hu dwuma wakwa check the records important pa watro ida say baby o dwuma na why phone call kra am obi say ya meni kufiba no eba be dwuma na woni una ye dwuma kakra na anu ebetwa mu na ne subanti sen because all bowel side nti saa so na so free ho no ko be fufuro so a obi bitme dia fro no bi san say ne subanti sen. Now another thing na so be ye dwuma ma wa obetime preventive fraud no apart from hiring no next point photocast no internal checks and balances na die no se ka se checks and balances a won so nua no wafa na dwuma mu ena o ye dwuma ma wo ba hye dwuma ne ye se ne be ya enye ono no be kokofa de no okruma aba enye ono no be hye price no enye ono no anso no so agege sika frink amount for kese ono ni me dwuma no beginning to end wo dis ha 2 minutes na hye ne ba kunsa yes no there's no checks and balances so cashier no gigi scam wa so kan scan we a nyon no be bank at least waji na fako so ni obi odbe kwa waji fako hwe na wamfa obi a ogigi scan nyina ma adwuma no ono aso na besa akoye pay no bank no bomodi ana system kakra wonu madkunti na simple na improve with the bank alert I owe phone so na kanin mre betwe mu no yekoye adwuma bi ma yekoye audit bi ma company bi na mu wo paying slips enyina so ekese odi skala to bank a wo hwe paying slip na ye the stamp is paying ye the red enyina chocho bank stamp no a kire bne kra obutu se skala to ho ntiye na bosumisun ye ayeye reconciliations inti yeji bank statement no eno kire sika dodo a bank no age efri ho age se dia koto ho ti de ne yeji paying slips na free company no ko no mo file no fefe so and how much date na arrange nicely ti de no compare dia bank no abogu on bank records no ye hwe date we a eni ho ye hwe date we a ewo ho but amount no e different ye hwe we hey chese ye hu ye wie no na company no ye kum no over 300,000 Ghana. Meanwhile our records wodwumam our paying sili ahihye ne pepepe ya paper accounts no so man pepepe but only alternative way of checking ye koye man no hu say ye kum no for 4 months ye kum no 385,000 Ghana. Enye sikaketwa. It is important because now our building funds so with your supplier. The ministry so with your supplier no who's scanning. No so scan na ikoye reconciliation isi. Inti paying slip na ye the file so say na only no kwa why bank stamp ni bi no this so no that bro to my bank na bo any ti no also file fabrem file say na no mudidi ho cause who say papa ndo ta hwe yi slip ni keke onya ho hwe onye confirmation tina say de say uni bia gibi bank alert just say o bank is ni momunye alert ngu o statement where you know account no so inti diska koto ha na ma phone no alert pepe ye ko iske fro na ma alert pepe tenu no woni tua na just check on no inti one check only papa beginning to ending control any it's likely say or train for future so I choose can free future no aboka and no ye the tosso me no I just say a channel so the tosso me and son a year potokasa say obi wa na onim se afimwa no afina eba no dan eba behwe nkrata auditors beba enti onim auditors beba no ahihye ne bibia pepe enti bonso auditors behwe mu anse wo hu bibi kitu ebi sebeya kamin kwa anka memma time auditors beba no enye known mpofuma na wama ya stock taking obi na nani na susu no me cash count ebi wa na enesco na ye friend debtors securitization just won e dido aka no na ye confirm so enti bumo be ya no for telefone wankasa obutuma ye na waji customers nyina e dido kan nyina na won telefone number na wo me hu se me check da no waji nti se ofro nu na so ya mini o nkutebo krachi ni na me go through records da me hu se odi eka se ni me pacho bitma confirm me bozo bitno bisa se odi eka na on eka ame kwan od before so ebisa de vary wa na ojuma ntu bitma use strategy bia de aye to di eka na se on di eka na di eka kra kai to be hwe no na ye ngumo no mu chese odieka but onu sunu ngumo mu chese ondieka na adiena tumi basa ne se aya na accountants ni cashiers na onkofo no mu yedwuma no ebu no mu swapo so woni wo aka we hu a obe yo no pepepepe bebi oni eni no no de akosho inti an accountant o makaso timi lady to defa kakra no de akosha kakra o defa kakra no de akosha kakra to no because what is this month I say will be particular account to be here or make sure say na but few be the only way I would mention is a surprise element, surprise stock taking, and yet every day but surprise one, maybe Tuesday be, maybe Wednesday be, men can't tell who say and I made me nyan sakra na ya busy into take stock and na say ya busy say ye could be stone to yen tardy Mr. when devote time ama ho wo say why ye ejuma amobi because that will time no be share no na o sika wo bank plus stocks wo ho plus sika wo akem omde nyina akra bre okra na enso e ka wo de no na wa be 3 years and 2 years I started jume na chisensu adintra because one yes little checks ni amobi afawsika workers ni bi atwafem and it is important say obeye unscheduled audit just say impofum kwa no akọ checks kakra de account de tosu mienu eye holiday look obi eni wa asese oye dwuma ma wa oka se keneke ono de onko feeder anapa 7 no se dwum 8 no wapon ono a onko leave ono so onji permission ono so na team pai no hwe odo dwuma ne sense na du baby man onko leave it is the only way a betumi hu se sebi so ni ho adwuma ne bekoso ana so oye bibi ekochiwa obehu inti shana wan kaso ena me dwumani ndie onde me jinidi pa ena fa akosi hapa o mani nko leave dabi o mani nko leave say na sebe ka bono e wan be adwuma no inti se so yen hihye bi wo ha say every year obi on na adwuma bia kenike bako leave so ko 3 days leave kwa na ye but omunko leave arranged for compulsory say once o mai di afebako with you no echi no mobi ko leave omo ko leave na abehu se adwuma no ekoyi anasa ankoyi memfa ni agro kwa living the hempa memfa ni agro ebi wo so a so adwuma na bibi kakra se eso atete kakra na wani nju wa obetuma akoye bibi se hwe onua obetumi aye abaye pipi amama abaka gumasum opa memma ne mehu kra umefo din kra ncheso woni fa ne din ncheso but oba be kire me se bibi kochew wo madwuma mu ho no na sampa ne mpa ase me check na bibi kochewa me chena de sometimes we put me this anime na befra because obi o ha no hu se be krono because we dwuma no mu ho ompe but onum kwan a obefa so abebo amane inti senhye bi wo policy bi ho se o uhwe na se bibi kochu na se ontiase a na mesinye se ontiase like umpa and you between dial number where wo the dial na record ana se number we can be ana se box bi si ha for bibi kotum you know that kind of thing. It acts as part of the preventive mode no? Because no oye na you say whistleblower or tell naswa bonza wa so woni beji wo hwe o adwuma na wo workers special mo koska sika ho kakra no na ona agi na adwuma mu oba wo so makotua otua no na no bonus do amano all of a sudden wasesa wakotoka fufro for from ye all of a sudden ni dressing ni bibia baby otekra we too free ho for from ye ya dimienu either say obi wa inherit na japade bi we di lotto anano of bia sen ni sika anaso ye dwuma foforo na sika bi apai ka beti an ka beti anaso busuan sase bi na wakoton ni ache no nya ne chefa an abeti but no sisa mon ka hwe no sisa no ka bo na tokuro bi apai wo dwuma mu a wo minimi companies bebre aye me matching performance companies bebre aye me ya Ghana for company obi wa brepa gugu obihwe bi dem ko hwe mu wiem workers nipa mensa kabom sales manager baako assistant production manager na obi o accounts office umukum papa no over 1.8 million Ghana 1.8 million Ghana otonsa 1.8 undi omu ya adnivia osio ya sales okay mo sales ka wo mo sales wakem okay akafono oso otua kakra osina no next week obabetua odnisa fi ni akem na auto ade no kra no ode free fi ni akem bibia ni akem ode free wakokoji sika no edi nso wachiro se ode free into a very important obey confirmation of things men fani agro ohwana changes kakra ba hwehwemu ye bonsa na wo liki obebi wo financials ni liki financial liki a ombobo ho manatete very important send be ya wo company be stay ebi wo ho na wa monso so ka ho bi na untua kaye o pretend say o tua moka omo so pretend say omo no ye adwuma ntu ye luso a omo twa fam na o so uluso. Another point nso etumi lead to sanime illicit activity nso bu ha sebe wa fabra boni bi say enuboni bi na onum na enuboni so de ne body into ta hwe work na nimpa no hu say akọ enuboni no didi agra yinedi nkutebo ka chisi yinedi because once we cultivate this habit no sika na edu yo ebedu ebe oni sika no akatua ni so into obey the ordinary bebo sikem into so watch now monitor no who say akwano or nobody or you be open nobody and the menfa no yinedi because a habit be a very very expensive habit intina companies be ho na ya mama akoye screening kakra ni text ni checking na is very important so na be on fan habit en famra especially in sanwe so ubu ho na obeba se na ni aisan onye dwuma no oye kra na look apart from productivity be ko low no so enwume bia no esese ko tua nsabika intene so etumi e confuse otwu musika fam ebisu kra ho a na onne start adwuma na sabi area ho na no toto aduane die na kakrakra prekupe after ko lunch 1 hour no my enye so oye no one of 7 birthday oye no consistently constant but you checking no because possible say uliki check no maninko leave uliki because wanye ne sape wanye ne sape ebe hadwin. One of the things as I say edwuma ye no as I say we create environment bia aye no kredi wom integrity wo. The reason is that only edwuma no maybe we apply for how you can create edwuma osibinio the following day also with the salary no ebeba mamemu advance kakra osibinio odineba hospital abrel say wakoto edru man refund osibinio odinka kutwi opekakra bi e de akotua repairs osibinio ni insurance time aso say car driving no ezoko renew osibinio. So invariably bibiara ono edwumani open or free ho nyina osibinio nso we expect say obe work at certain levels onua obie kwan because onye na dwi say ka obeye bibisa but frustration nemanem wakom nyina ntino bibikitwe bi esipe oboka koponi ade no na was starting enti so starting say so was stores obo say obi be fa na 100 boxes na onu na driver na ba ko say o me say onye me favor kakra me the 110 boxes begum enti udru junction ho na me nu bi o tia dada but no nika o so niska enti ye me favor kakra why me say so the mini pano na obi a all kind 100 no kan 110 egum enti omudu abonte na yi 10 no egu ho oso edwumawura car ni tu no ofisi 100 na wum because work agina ho papa no so gina oso ofisi work na paperwork kutan so 100 paperwork ba ka chen so obi ebeto ade na 10 boxes kai na oni car ba be fanti onye ni favor oyi ade ni gum odu janche we yegu ho usika na ekono in that time no ope bibia na odebe bibia na unfini no won say wenya a different approach to life all twu usika na bifem oboboka eno so enye bibia eye ade papa ma wow business na oye no this is important say sa de no so obehwe ne ye at least so oni bi kra no for other workers have no oni bi kra no oni bi kra na kakra ho no de amano ebeboa ebi won so na approval levels won say work bia no say petty cash say den I am more expenses kakra ntebi wo na one approve figures no or see okay bibia a chain a 2000 when from I mean sign bibia a below 2000 no mo amonyo you trust but verify Mr. Trust but verify un markunta una say a bibia a year 2000 family but bibia a below no de omo mutuminya. What could happen is we wouldn't mechanism out be a verifier. They were seen say be breaky expenses no mienu. In that number called 2009 the about approval no I catch you and say supply me 4 instead of 6. To give 4 mienu. Send a below figure no. And now get 3 mienu a below figure no. Into this are not the film. Yes I know it to me harding. Ade ba ko so a eka ho eye wo cash situation unse bi wo ha adwuma mu no ade na eton ho adwuma mu no you receive cash comes into our hands as I say ye nhihye bi say every day bia say twice crown na ebeko bank so anya twice impo say ebeko bank Friday aye po adwuma no make sure say Saturday no at least be account with the banker Saturday omokojuma send about this kind of work go now first can no enkofi cause na a part of the risk so tejuma mo nto nimedwuma ni na onum say ene a bit of 40,000 Ghana and na Friday and onum say odi be kofi na oma obi edin ka kopim we. These are all the factors. In Tubu say, yeah, small business, you take things for granted. Who has animal in account, then say form. Until a very important say, you have monetary cash no so not expenditures na we doing also. You make sure say yeah approval. Very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. Into sa nema we no. And as I say, we do so. Now make sure say, oh, usika sem no. Eko yima unhihye no eko yima chronosem no a minimize and as I eliminated because obi ono nko leave wahihye no manako leave say adwuma tumi no processes nyina no mfa nhye bakofo nsa saa so na say afena ebe fo na adwuma mu say obusuenu say they man go through rigmarole of getting police records checked and I say baby oye adwuma kaneno the reference free ho men can't say or smesi we dey ni kwa sorry oye on lead discussion or sorry or preach pa and things like that be yeah sorry I say adwuma imedwuma mo nhihye ho san hihye na eso de man. Now this so we are now what is happening is NHS systems and depending on you. Systems independent on you. Na yeduma is no one say so ho woni ho sanhihye no e be diso. Teni so cry to me boy adwuma no e adwuma no ekọ nenim etu enya mpempesu bi ekọ. Sa so na say bibi koso na wo pese otidia utumi arrangement such a way say obi ti say bibi krono bi koso drivers na eche petrol ni fam ana bibi sana mo ehu adwuma yi say odwuma no so na beto petrol dia na saying to petrol card mo for receipt ma because say receipt companies ni bi ha filling station boys see receipt no on pay your money to wasesa or cut a petrol 180 Ghana into what you receipt 300 Ghana and thereby you know that kind of thing. Say every week we lose 120 time and time no one will lose over 4,000 there go a water bill. A wood mum, bones are not a numero anana pamuni na security for no moon button. These are all the invisible costs that Ubu say obey you obey and kunta baby no na o fast one insisi ye. Ibu na stocks no I de aba no ye de beba ni no wajuma tonton bi no o ma cheda de bia ko hihire the time obehu no yes goods na expire. I expire so a omkwa nanim sa expire na yakwa wa paper no ne de fufura tare ho ne de afra ne eton no manya faso no aboka inti sadi na ntumi emwaye we etifo mekwa koton ade kakraba mi ba na ayi mebie phone line no so na se wo question bia no de bizame.
To 8 a.m. Yeshia Ewo Asempa FM 94.7. Ewo Jumedi
Asempa FM.
Asempa Sanctuary. Hop near Bedim Paye. Yesuya Onyamina Sem. Ubenya akwenya so afre. Na wo de wade srede ne yaji onyame adi se nanim onyam bedadi ewo bibi biara ye de betu nanim. Eye Asempa Sanctuary. Ewo Asempa FM. Kwasieda ebei ene kwasieda biara. Yeshia.
Cocoa Dairy Free Coconut Milk. Cocoa Dairy Free Coconut Milk. Yekube America, obo de dua kube ene ye de aye. Se wodi guti ana cocoa mu a, embo apo enti ema no pa aduane ye krabehwa ankasa. Calcium ni vitamin D2 a ewo mu no, ema wosi ni wondompe mu ye den. Vitamin D12 no nso boa ma wo moja no di efusane. Cocoa de aduaba na ye de aye. Na Vegetarian Society a ewo UK agya tumpefi. Cocoa Dairy Free Coconut Milk. Jiba ku sesia. Etufon free telephone 027-444-0180. FDA ahwehwe sa edwadie nkrato yi mu agya tum sey ye. Cocoa Dairy Free Coconut Milk.
21st June, 19th July. So when it's the biggest soccer showpiece in Africa. 2019 Africa Cup of Nations. Basu wa Misrim Egypt Mountain so Asempa FM Atom FM ani Atom TV yasanti ayire yani asio wani chiemu no wa sonso chiemu nie koso team bia adwaso bia fa tournament ne match bia on pese mu edo any commentary mu down Asempa FM ani Atom FM Nature Atom TV match bia if it is the opening match we see the final game. This is your home of this AFCON utie babia eyentebe Egypt host and win. And now Cameroon are back to back. After 37 years, Black Stars and Menunian. Senior Yeni Bewo Blowman. Total Excellium. TPS Industries. I have gone 2019 Wakasa Fidia. So get ready for action.
Until for Nkuteboka Jumedian or Sugusa, which is maybe telephone line. No. Telephone line is 0302 216 545 and now it's 0302 216 546 and now say ubetumi na why me Facebook ni Asempa 94.7 FM inti na also the question beto ho and our contribution beto ho metumi so akan inti mi telephone line no 0302 21654. Hello.
Hello.
But when you?
Temperature Jacob, about you.
Jacob, it's you.
You, Eja. But there was a me young starty a human being. Namum, you're okay. You see me, Shema, the papa, Emma. Yamia, don't have to start this business. The whole Okoya as a fast. Jammy boy about papa.
You, Jacob, that's a
hello.
Yeah.
Asempa FM. Would be cow.
You
would be cow. And only say, my programs are more yen. Nah, your program, I'm a painting, and I didn't have to some radio. But it took a year and you do radio and you get me battery call off.
Oh, you're better, bro. Why?
But my new piano available to make almost.
You. Hello.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Morning, Pachawani, man, is on me.
From Philip.
Yeah, Philip, you.
About Pacho, my device kit will be or now my shake it will be or to me silly Robano. Robert Miabuamia.
Aye.
Asempa FM.
Me we program now, frame me. Oh, on Kraha.
Pacho.
Me program frame me 0263. If I'm here, me to do. No friend, na me ncho be bi wo. Why? All right. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning.
I'm Pacho telling me fresh you to
Yo, tete you.
Ram, na me bisa se nipa no unim no na se ekoba se onkoye na bi anse se na pese o fa no adwuma mu a eno so be hia se nip star police betima akoye.
Aye. Because you see ya de menu ma bo so no akoye bebi o bebi a we hu ana two ono aso be hu se adwuma we hwe wo ye wanyo ne ma ye do be ko police station ti psychologically no so to me eboa o kwan bia so.
Now, the second question is a commercial department to Anika. What fun would you see any capacity, not or the Missicani D or the Yako system, and also with me and I come home.
I many who but with me to Nufuka Crow say a Jumano image here into Ubidi time then slowly crash and a bear home chiro because ye they are mobusin or higher mass or advance. Because we need to say or say scan into with me. Men calling direct with my answer. Go now the tune for craft film. Why? All right. Hello. Hello,
Ja.
Yes, I'll Pachwani.
Pacho, good morning.
Morning.
Really, Bonnie, really, let me say, Mr. Kirby Anenka. May no discuss everyone, Pesebe on her.
You
coming on number and Kirby and come up free.
Made better to do why? Me point. All right. Yeah. Hello, okay. Me patrol with my friend was 00302
Asempa FM
0302 216 545. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, patrol I knew.
Yeah, opening.
Yeah.
They said me bisa about Smith. So, a jima bi wo ho a wo bia. Workers no almost more or less casual, temporary. So Smith for when you be a jima pe no mo ba o mo ho bia to mo si mo be register no Smith.
Na
so when you do on pay 2 days, 1 month, 2 months, no more jai. No one walk register on Smith. I just start processes ni na.
Now a human by day.
No, ba enye by day.
But form for how long? 3 months and 6 months.
Offer as permanent workers. But on our ban, if you open phone at all, and on your 1 month salary pay, no guy, Juman.
Oh, good. T. O Jay Juman pay as a social letter, the common snake say, or soon as ye die.
Yes, but processes are over family. Now, all the be registered for snake. No, it's so tedious. And the young guy can't just need for say. Nipa no be na omo 3 months bi now we make sure say nipa no truly over be settle.
That be and then branches the woman is there be young step by step.
Okay,
once what mention negative side of what is the process. Mention negative side say obu on but e be musutra into your rules say we here say oba adwuma mu ho a say first of all before meju adwuma mu kra no social security number with my condition. Nipa ko ko register na abo adwuma mu nti end the phobia on register because student go background no register that into new no ko social security number on register here no ababa join wa fair enough woni ne ye adwuma no bosumusia oti na after 15 days no kokotua the following month so I made adwuma and say when to an car na why inform snit say onye adwuma ha biom because anya sa no first figure na be kono omo predict say social security be ba interest na afisa na onye na judgment but na kutia social security on his behalf na jina na be twema metwe ntim pa chaw omo call ya na watch social security say omo ni hobby no omo dismissal letter no why copy the amount no na ugo adwuma no so why Mr. Wa yo Hello, you 0302 216 545. And I said 0302 216 546. Now, what you may frame me a fakakra. Hello.
Hello.
Pachama Nisukakra.
Yo, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I mean, so Namia do many the program.
Yo.
Now, later, sending a meso, me person make a kaka. You be a Juma for almost 1 year. But maybe start saying, you know, Nipan catcher, me say, the snake no chair.
Oh,
catch them the own chair. I'm a many the home come, and I'm saying, Miss Me Pig Man, I ain't no, me catch and say, you know, may. By here, me who is here, my permanent or many permanent or by me, Buzua me, my 1 year to me a driver.
now, social security number there.
But on me social security number.
And yeah, dear. And should I call social security for office over check is or returns need to say. Now, what the more one on returns near 0, not against me more how no jahoko. A bear 3-4 days on my visit, you man check is more social security and I'm social security in tennis and a bit my boy. Oh,
Asempa FM.
That chance him who sacrifice it a bit more affect to future. Why?
Okay. But me who say, dear, say dear, friends after some year now, with next week for what, till I'll to me, every who man.
Oh, I say once our evidence say I could turn a demand on your TB for social security, you know, and it's a free hole. That's the reference point that social security for the check. Say, Utiunian evidence in ye, and say, all this kind of brain. Na onion ekoni na humjimwa unsaka says ka
yo alright that's my boom be very joke
yo okay yeah mbisu bit my friend hello
good morning
Mera morning su kakra mama
you yeah me that sepa or program we yeah me first na me mother care but na check up when na me mother care no me ye na no obi betuna na nisu mi ye edwuma enti ye bo for me pon na ma ba shop but me nya time until na girl no catch them say or go school na me feel ni pa fofra na check up no ya na me sicken na ko yeah and the ba me sa no e say me to shop no for some year afina me pese me start for and me that se power interest na with the man
yes you are say what your experience
okay
you all right
that impact yeah na on fa una man
but me better do why you
that's
all right
bye
Asempa FM.
Hello. Yeah, nti niema ni bi wo ha unu bebre bi wo na you na recommendation from church. It was a recommendation from obi anu ko school. Telephone number here.
Hello, good morning sir.
Morning. Afternoon. Yeah, about morning.
Okay, I'm in shop da.
In China.
No, maybe so program every week be away and because person can follow
ukwade bia 11 to 12 why
I'm sure Jacob na certificate so
yo Jacob ya dase
I'm sure
yo in China why 0302216545 and that's 0302216546 na otumia no Africa kra na yeso ni modi nkombo kakra mbo ehu mamemfa calling hello
good morning
morning
Patrick FM take you it's free Islam
you take it you
Patrick last by 1 month ago now what let them say be a who is come we do a obetima call stock market ne ho ne ma say be say maybe me will be 100,000 or buying here. Again, I'll be advice me 7 5 years. Other 7 cohort, I mean, to treasure there and
Okay.
Because my friend was phone no. Fire. What? Bia or say or best or Bia.
Ana a course and Dawson. The Obey say, okay, Uja voice note. Oh, don't say I said, oh, yeah, a WhatsApp no. Inti we press baby a record and oh, yeah, voice note. Then na Joe me who was an Joe soon to me, friend. Inti Uja voice note. Me and
Asempa FM
down the course, Mr. Pa. Now the woman say 100,000. They can't craft a treasurable answer. Answer what dream the episode this can ye. To treasurable into treasurable water sano. At least you be for soccer crabber. No one can what transfer how you want to run yourself. Once as one casano, we a juamobi into every month in the scababa. So into Saturday no say okay, obeying in our treasurables. And yes, I saw a bit much you not the fund as a treasurable, not the funds I share mutual fund, a match that no. When a enterprise mutual fund and I say Stanbic Bank for no mutual fund Libya. And also no omo who Indian manages can growth wumpa until the big growth fund no and also acquire bank for the protection here higher see bibia. Hello. Pacho, I knew. Yes, sir. Pacho, it's you.
No, eh?
Aye.
You opening number watching.
Yeah.
A friend could disappoint because if it is fair junction.
Okay.
When the morning on chair tray.
That's it.
Now, and ne Pabwami.
You.
Commit my shack and be na and for Saka, I have a name of Miss Wasa, can you maybe? I missed out.
You.
The our church, and let me tell pa and let the son cook.
You.
Miss out, papa.
You. That's it. You. Yes, you said that's your train. Telephone number, I'm submit my for last combo. Put this, we put this above sign. I'll submit my hello. Are you? Yes, commit my for last continue. The woman said, near Fanny may be near grow. Yenye checks, kakra. If I answer in
Asempa FM.
I said, hello. Yes, I'm Pacho Dumuri in Kakrawai.
Good morning.
Morning, but yet you.
Pacho, me now contact and I am a friend. I'm in waiting. Come over.
You, yeah. All right. You.
Hello.
Yeah, me the better justice here. Number no. 0263 009 330 0263 009 330. Me patch with my voice note and why voice note. I was so Miss Abeka, no Miss May, Yankupon Kayan, that's an ebetuaso.